Rules of the school bus. 1. Before entering the bus, check the bus number. It will always be number 009. If it isn't, do not enter the bus, simply wait. 2. If you are late for the bus, do not walk to school/home. Refer to 2A and 2B. 2A. If you are at home, stay home and call the school and simply say code 4, they will understand. 2B. If you are at school, go to the office and tell the secretary code 4. You will spend the night there. 3. When riding the bus, do not sit next to anybody, you do not want to make that mistake. 4. Nobody will sit next to you. If they do, scream. Refer to 4A and 4B. 4A. If the bus driver tells you to stay quiet, stop screaming. This is a tourist and you will be fine. 4B. If the bus driver looks back at you and nods, you have permission to push the person off the seat. They will be very light. If you fail to do so, pray they are not hungry. 5. The bus driver does not change his clothes, but sometimes they will be different colors. Refer to 5A, 5C. 5A. If the bus driver is wearing yellow, under no circumstances should you sit in the L seat. That is where RJ will sit. 5B. If the bus driver is wearing pink, RJ will want to be pet, feel free to do so. 5C. If the bus driver is wearing anything else, you may ignore Rule 5. 6. If another student tries to talk to you, feel free to talk, but do not help them with homework. You won't have hands to do yours anymore. 7. Do not eat on the bus, it will become jealous. Only eat if RJ is there, he will protect you. 8. If at any point the bus driver falls asleep, you better hope RJ is near you. If he isn't, drop any food you have on the ground and pray they only want a snack. 9. When leaving the bus, say thank you to the bus driver. Refer to 9A and 9B. 9A. If he says no problem, you may leave. 9B. If he says you're welcome, reach into the glove department, grab the pistol, and shoot him. This will not kill him, but it will infuriate him enough to kill you instantly. 10. Once outside the bus, you will start to forget everything. Hold up this note so you can reread these rules.